Should we try this again? Okay, get your butt off the table. Whoa, what have I got now? Peanut butter yummies. Peanut butter yummies. I think that's what it is. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Oh, boy off. Good. Oh. That's a lot of chewing. Good. Good. Yes. Very good. Now, let's try without this. Yes, good boy. So smart. Good job, buddy. Good boy. Oh, that's a cute one, but that's not what I'm looking for. That's not quite it. What other behaviors do you have to offer? Yeah, that's cute too. Not that. Yes, good boy. Yay, you are so smart. Yeah, good job. Figure it out again. Wasn't that? Wasn't that? What was it that you did? Oh, it wasn't that one. Though I do think that's, oh, I think that's extra adorable. Guess that's extra adorable, not what I'm looking for. And I don't want that either. Or that. You're getting closer. Yes! Good boy, you did it! Good job! Yeah, you got it! Not chewing on that. Still not chewing on that. What did you do? Wasn't that? What was it? It wasn't this. Wasn't that either. Wisp going? What was it? No, not that. Oh, don't chew that. Wisp, go. Yes, good boy. Very good boy. Good job. Go. Yes, good boy. You got it. Yes, good boy. You got it again. Yes, good job. That was really loud. You get 2 cookies for that. Good boy. Yes. Good. Yay! Oh, he's so smart. He's so smart. Yeah, you got it. That was just a tiny nose touch. The next one's going to have to be better. Yes. Good job, buddy. Good job. Yes, good boy. That was so good. So good. Yes, it was. 2 cookies. Good job. Yes. Yay. Good boy. Yay, good boy, good boy. That's it, all done, all done. Good job, little man. Good job. That was so smart, yeah, just 2 days. Just 2 days, what a smart little dude. Yes, he's so smart. He's so smart. Yes, he's so smart. Yes, he is. Do you want to go outside and see the boys? Go get him. Oh, hi, Noodle. You're wet. Okay, come on.